Hey there, little explorers. Have you ever eaten a big, cold, delicious ice cream cone on a hot summer day? It's sweet, creamy, and melts in your mouth. But have you ever wondered, how is ice cream made? Does it come from a magical ice cream tree? Do tiny ice cream fairies mix it up? Or is there a super cool secret behind it? Stick around, because by the end of this adventure, you'll know exactly how your favorite treat is made. Close your eyes and imagine, what if you had your very own ice cream factory? You could make chocolate rivers, mountains of sprinkles, and endless flavors like bubblegum pizza or rainbow spaghetti. But wait, making ice cream isn't just about mixing things together. It takes special ingredients, a little science, and some chilly temperatures. Let's find out how it's really done. Okay, let's think. What do we need to make ice cream? Milk and cream? Yes. Sugar? Yes. A scoop of magic? Nope. But that would be fun. Ice cream starts with just a few simple ingredients. But what happens next is where the magic begins. First, all the ingredients are poured into a giant mixing machine. The milk, cream, and sugar are mixed together until they become smooth and sweet. It's like making a milkshake, but wait, it's still liquid. So how does it turn into ice cream? Now here's where things get really cool. Literally, the ice cream mix is put into a freezing machine that churns and chills it at the same time. Why? Because if you just froze it without mixing, it would turn into a solid ice block instead of soft, creamy ice cream. The churning adds air, making it light, fluffy, and delicious. Now it's time for the best part, flavors. Do you like chocolate, vanilla, or strawberry? How about cookies and cream, cotton candy, or mint chocolate chip? At this stage, factories add cocoa, fruit, or cookie bits to give ice cream its amazing taste. Want to add something extra fun? Factories use machines to swirl caramel, mix in sprinkles, or add chunks of chocolate. Imagine a big machine squeezing rivers of chocolate sauce into a giant tub of ice cream. Yum! Once the ice cream is perfectly mixed and frozen, it's time to pack it up. Machines scoop the ice cream into containers, cones, and popsicles. Some factories make hundreds of thousands of ice cream treats every day. Before ice cream can go to the store, it needs to be super cold, colder than your freezer at home. It's kept at minus 20 degrees Celsius, minus 4 degrees Fahrenheit, so it stays frozen until you eat it. If it melts, it won't be the same. So trucks with giant freezers deliver it fast. Now the ice cream is ready to go. It travels in freezer trucks to grocery stores, ice cream shops, and snack stands. All that's left is for you to pick your favorite flavor, grab a spoon, and enjoy. Let's see if you remember what we learned today. What is ice cream made of? A. Milk, cream, and sugar. B. Snow and magic. C. Cheese and ketchup. Why do we churn ice cream while it freezes? A. To add air and make it creamy. B. To make it melt faster. C. Just for fun. Why do ice cream trucks have freezers? A. To keep ice cream cold. B. To turn ice cream into soup. C. To make ice cream dance. So next time you eat ice cream, remember, it's not just a tasty treat, it's a fun mix of ingredients, science, and cold temperatures that make it delicious. And who knows, maybe one day you will invent a brand new ice cream flavor? That's it for today, little explorers. See you next time for another sweet adventure.